If you've ever felt like your paintings look lifeless or flat, this technique is going to change everything. The key is knowing where to be bold and where to hold back. I have a variety of opaque paint and transparent paint. We're going to start with big brushes because you can create really bold, expressive brush strokes that way and stay loose. If you go to your tiny brushes, then you'll probably end up getting really tight and controlled. So try to just start with a big brush, and I am going to start blocking in. I'm just going to mix some darks together to create almost like black or dark brown hair, and I'm just going to start by blocking in some of the darks. Just play around with different brush strokes. Try to hold the brush really loosely. You can hold it at the end, hold it on the side. I'm trying to have my brush strokes go with the form in the hair. And I'm choosing a transparent because I still want to see some of that underpainting. Okay, so now I'm kind of going in with some lighter colors, and there's not much of a shadow here on her cheek, but I want to just exaggerate that a little bit to create a good base for once I add a highlight on top. We're just adding all the midtones and darks right now with transparent paint. So I've just moved down to a smaller brush, and I'm trying to get in some of those darks in the facial features. So this is going to start to really make the portrait pop from the background, but by keeping it still in the transparent phase, you're gonna be able to integrate your background a bit more. Another technique or trick on staying loose with your portraits, if you do a black and white photo, I think it's easier to be expressive with the color because you're making it up, and you can add lots of fun colors into this. So in the shadows here, I've used the turquoise and the opus pink instead of just black and white. To get like little wisps of hair, I'm just using the corner of the brush and just trying to go with that motion. I also love square brushes for details because you can get such a crisp, clean line when you just use the edge of it. We've built depth and energy into the painting, and now it's time to refine some details and bring forth the focal point. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time.